microphone okay there? Should we start?
Možemo početi.
Hello, this is Veliko from Diabolical, and you're watching MM Storytime.
Yes, exactly like that.
I nailed it.
Yes, you did.
Yeah,
You did,
okay.
actually. You did. So, tell me, you're now been touring for a couple of days. And how's the tour so far?
We've been touring for 3 weeks, and yeah, it's been great. We played great shows every day. It's a great team with all the bands together, and we're doing great.
Do you have any favorite show by now?
No, not really. No. They're all good.
Oh, they're all good.
Yeah, fine. Maybe tonight will be that will be my favorite show.
Well, yes, exactly. This is your first time here in Serbia.
Yeah, it is actually our very first time I've ever been to Serbia, and or any of us. So we'll see what happens.
Yeah, but what was the picture of Serbia before you actually came here? Did you ever heard about Serbia?
What do you mean?
Did you ever heard here actually about Serbia?
Yeah, of course.
Yes.
Yeah. There's a lot of people from Serbia, well, all former Yugoslavian states living in Sweden. A lot of people moved to Sweden, so we have a lot of friends and stuff. So of course we know some things, but not every detail about the country and the history and so on. But yeah, we know kind of where is what and yeah, that type of things.
But do you like it so far?
I've been here for 4 hours, so I don't know.
But
I've seen this
it's
corridor and
something, it's something.
but
it's
it looks
definitely
great, you know.
something.
Yeah, it's great. Yeah.
And tell me, well, we know your music, but can you describe your sound then to the other people?
We play. It's actually based on traditional death metal, I would say, death black metal, but we just keep trying to developing, and we've been playing for many years, 23 years or something like that. So you know the sound changes over time, and I don't know what to call it now, but it is death metal band. But we have a lot of different influences from different genres.
And can you tell me how long does the band exist?
Since 1996.
1996?
How old were you then?
1996.
Okay, I forget. Okay, we don't talk about it.
I'll tell you later.
Yeah.
Yeah. And can you tell me what are your expectations for tonight show? Do you even have any expectations, or is it
No,
just
it's different,
what
but
happens?
I would say in most capitals in Europe there's a lot of shows going on every day. In Stockholm or Berlin or wherever you go, it's 3-4 metal shows every week. Maybe it's a bit less here, I guess, with extreme bands. So maybe there's once a week or something, you know. So hopefully people are waiting for shows, you know, for European bands. And then it's usually good. Yeah, we released an album called Eclipse 1.5 months ago, and most of everything we play, almost, is from the new album.
And are you satisfied with the reactions from your fans?
It's been great. It's been really great so far. I mean, we played 16 or 18 shows or something like that. And much better than expected, I would say. People are coming in time for. And are staying. They're not leaving, so and they look at it. It seems like people are listening to it. Nowadays, everything is so fast because it's out on YouTube or Spotify, whatever. Back in the days, you would put out a new album, and it took maybe half a year before you realized people had listened to it or something. Now it's like the same day it's released, everybody has listened to it because people are hungry for new music. So already now, you know, you see people that come to the songs. That's great.
And can you tell me, how does the creation process look like when you're writing music?
It's slow.
It's slow. Why slow?
Yeah. No, but we made. I mean, this album, for example, I think from the time we wrote the first things for the record, think at least 2 years it took us to make a record, maybe 3. Someone comes up with an idea and then we develop it together. And it depends on who is having the initial idea, I would say. Usually Carl, who is the other guitarist in the band, also singing, he usually, for example, has very clear ideas how a full song should sound like, and then we work on it together and so on. But sometimes there's just 2 or 3 riffs, and it's very different. There's no one way.
And who writes the lyrics?
For this record, most of the lyrics was written by Carl. So I just have to sing them.
You just go there and you sing.
I adjust, sometimes to make it fit better, but yeah, he did most of the lyrics.
But what is your job in the band besides your singing? I mean,
my everyday job. Or in the band? Or?
Everyday job and in the band. I know you're singing. You're
I sing and I play guitar in the band. Yeah. And at home I have a recording studio. I record bands from Stockholm. Producing records. So that's what I do every day.
And do you have any message for the people too?
Hurry up! The concert begins in 2 hours. So you better fucking hurry. It's gonna be published afterwards, right?
Yeah.
So too late.
But we'll see you there. And thank you for your time.
Yeah, thank you.
For talking.
Say something in Serbian.
Serbian.
Yeah, to the camera.
Hvala što ste gledali. Vidimo se za 2 sata, za 2 sata.
Yeah.
And thank you a lot.